Hi friends, here in this video I'll be explaining what is meant by an actual machine. Actual machine is that machine in which the friction is present. That is, the opposite of actual machine is an ideal machine in which there is no friction. So here we mean that actual machine is very much real in application, that is, it is found in day-to-day applications. So I'll write down that actual machine is defined as the machine in which friction is present or frictional resistance is there. And due to the friction present here, the amount of effort which we are applying goes somewhere in overcoming the friction, and then the load would be lifted. So we can encounter more amount of resistance in case of an actual machine compared to the ideal machine, because in ideal machine whatever effort we are applying, that is just used to lift the load and their friction is absent, so no need to overcome the frictional resistance. So the amount of effort required in case of ideal machine is less compared to an actual machine. Similarly, in case of ideal machine we can lift huge amount of load compared to an actual machine, because here some amount of effort is always lost due to friction. So here I can write down, for an actual machine efficiency is given by, since it is output upon input, output is W into X and input is P into Y, and for this you all can refer my videos on output and input, in which I had explained how these terms comes from. The links of these videos would be provided in the description below. Next, therefore efficiency would be W upon P, and here we have Y upon X. So basically W upon P means the mechanical advantage, Y upon X is the velocity ratio. So efficiency is MA upon VR, mechanical advantage upon velocity ratio, and in case of an actual machine the mechanical advantage value will always be less than the velocity ratio value, and due to that the efficiency would always be less than 100% in case of an actual machine. And compared to that, if we have an ideal machine, in that case the efficiency would be equal to 100%, that is both MA and VR values would be equal. So in short, that was an explanation of actual machine. At the end, if you all find my videos helpful, you all can like, share, comment and subscribe our channel and share it amongst your family and friends. Thanks for watching.